How to make this yummy maha blanca. First, we need Coco Mama or the real kakang gata. But here, I have used Coco Mama. And then, of course, we need cornstarch. 4 cups of this is good. And then 4 cups of water. Then we need Jersey Evap, Cowbell Condensed, UFC Whole Corn Kernel, Mega Prime Cream Style Corn, and Eden Cheese. Okay, so first is you're going to put Coco Mama in the casserole and with evap and condense. And then after that, you mix them. And then after that, you will add the whole corn kernel and the cream style corn. And then after this, you mix